Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're going to make an amazing porcini pizza on the Karma 55 from Wppo. So the first thing that we need to do is light up the pizza oven. So here's how we do that. We need to put a couple of small sticks of pecan wood in a Lincoln log pattern. Then we want to add a few fire starters, light these on fire, and let the fire build. When we have a good fire going, we can add more wood to the fire. Now we want to gradually heat up the stone and add more sticks until the stone sits at a temperature of about 800 degrees. Now when the pizza oven is lit up, it's time to start preparing the porcini pizza, and here's how we do that. We want to pour some olive oil into a hot pan. Then we're going to slice some porcini mushrooms and add to the pan. We want to season this with salt and pepper, and then we want to saute this until the porcini mushrooms are cooked through and have a beautiful brown color. We want to shape the pizza dough into nice 12-inch thin crust pizzas. Then we want to add a layer of provolone or Riccio cheese to the pizza. We also want to add a few dollops of mascarpone cheese. Then we want to add a healthy amount of our sauteed porcini mushrooms. And last but not least, we want to add some fresh thyme leaves. Now we're going to place the pizza in the pizza oven, and then we're going to bake it for about a minute. Then we want to rotate the pizza and continue baking until ready. You want to dome the pizza and then remove it from the pizza. And then this beautiful porcini pizza is ready to serve. And that is how I make my porcini pizza on the Karma 55 from Wppo. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And look at that. That both looks and smells amazing. Perfect crust, so here we go. So earthy, so rich. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.